nutshell, it's our customer journey, our customer satisfaction and providing high quality products for our consumers. What we do within Condensation Solutions is we're with our customers every step of the journey, from the initial inquiry to providing an in-depth survey to find a solution to condensation and mould problems. We then follow through with providing premium quality ducting, durable products with high spec parts to ensure that it lasts and it's sufficient and our customers get the best quality and value for money. We then implement and follow up through servicing and maintenance, and this ensures the smooth running and efficiency of the product throughout its lifespan. We pride ourselves in being the best ventilation company in the business, and in order to take the stress off you, contact us today. We'll provide a hassle-free solution to your problems. Get in touch.